Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we will be learning how we can create a professional domain-based email for our business. If we have an account, if we have a domain and hosting on hostinger.com. So here we are in the Hostinger dashboard, and first of all, here you can see we have the hosting here and we have our hostings here. So let's click on the hosting where we want to in which we have the domain, and for that domain we have to create an email. So let's click on email and then click on email account. So now we have all the emails we have created here. So I'll create an new email from my personal domain. Here we have it. Let's click on it. Now we will go to email accounts. I have already created a email before, so we'll create a new email. And if you have not created an email before, you will see an option to create an email account here. Click here on creating an email account, and let's create an email. For example, info info@shapekamran.com. I'll set up a password. The password should include the capital letter, small letter, a number, and a symbol. Here you can add a recovery email address. Now click on create account, and that's simple. You have created the email info@shapekamran.com or whatever your domain will be .com. So email and password. Now you have two options. You can to log in into this email. You can simply install the Titan TITAN mobile app on your Android or iOS and enter this ID and password on your mobile device, or you can simply access it through hostinger.titan email. So let's click on access on webmail. Here info@shipcamrun.com. Click on next. Enter your password you have set before. Click login. Okay. Uh, let's do it. I'll do it later. And here we are. Let's start it. Next. Just do all the basic setup here. And here you also have the option from bringing emails from Gmail to your personal email. If you have a specific Gmail account, you can just do the email forwarding from here. You can set up all of these things later, set up a signature and all that. So here we have the fresh email account. We have the inbox here. If we want to send an email to someone, we'll go to here. Just type the email here, subject, and send. Click on send. So that was so simple. That was so easy. You can simply create an email, a professional email account for your business, which gives a premium look to your business or your agency, anything you have. So that's it. If it helped you, if this video helped you, do let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions, and do like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.